Hi! Now we discuss about Weize 12 volts 35 AAH rechargeable battery. So let's start. Key specifications. Brand: Weize. Battery cell composition: seal lead acid. Recommended uses for product: scooter, wheelchair. Unit count: 1. The Weize 12V35A rechargeable battery is another beast with 35 AA, weighing in at 22 pounds. It is a deep cycle tractor battery that uses AGM technology, which makes it an excellent choice for a lawnmower, and its pattern of usage. It is spill-proof and shock-resistant too. It also means that you can let it run down to a lower capacity without the risk of damaging the unit or shortening its lifespan. The 12-volt battery is versatile for a variety of uses because of its specs. It recharges quickly, which is a welcome perk given its other features. It is a larger lead-acid battery, but its intended use is for bigger devices like a lawnmower. The manufacturer backs up their product with a 1-year warranty on this rechargeable battery. Excellent value for a lawnmower battery. Pros: deep cycle battery. Excellent battery life. Charges quickly. Versatile. Easy installation. Cons: spendy. Very heavy. The product buy link is in the description below.